Hey guys, my name is Brandon. I consider my family to be avid outdoor adventurers. The harsh realities of a pandemic caused fears and anxiety that were sometimes unbearable. Once we realized things were not going back to normal anytime soon, we ordered an ikamper Skycamp 2.0. This allowed us to sort of disconnect from the news and the stress of our day-to-day life and just continue exploring. Our family has been outside every week since our new rooftop tent. The iCamper has helped us survive mountain lions, bears, pandemics, and most importantly has kept our family hopeful and positive during these times of uncertainty. So this is what it looks like from the outside. And my favorite thing about it is this map here that shows the globe, and it's just nice to wanderlust when you're camping and think of the places you want to travel. Actually, my favorite thing is the skylight or the starlight. This one right here is so cool to just lay in here, camp with the family, and look up at the stars and the moon. And that's what it's all about, being out under the stars. So you can be up here on your rooftop tent looking up in this well-insulated tent and really enjoy it. That's all I needed in life. That's all we needed. Cheers. A little s'mores. Cheers. Cheers. Everything is all right in the world.